हेलो फ्रेंड्स। एक बार एक लड़का मेरे पास आया एंड उसने कहा कि सर मेरी अंग्रेजी बहुत खराब है, क्या मैं एसएसबी में रिकमेंड हो सकता हूं क्या? सीधा जवाब, नो। लेकिन अगर वही लड़का मेरे पास आता है एंड कहता है सर माय इंग्लिश इज नॉट वेरी गुड, कैन आई गेट रिकमेंडेड इन एसएसबी? आंसर इज मे बी यस। कुछ भी कह लो, एसएसबी में जो इंटरव्यू होता है या जो भी टास्क होता है वो अंग्रेजी और इंग्लिश में ही होता है। तो चाहे या ना चाहे, इंग्लिश थोड़ा बहुत जानना बहुत ही जरूरी है। बाय दिस आई डू नॉट से दैट इफ योर इंग्लिश इज नॉट वेरी गुड you cannot make it. You can make it because you can put a little effort in getting to know the language better. And let me tell you, it's not very difficult. If you are able to speak good Hindi or any other Indian language, picking up English is extremely easy. There are so many online courses available. Check for good reviews and join any of them. Okay, and try to improve your spoken English. Why I say English is important? Like you come to me and say, sir, I want to go and fight a war. Is it required that I should carry a gun? Is this question itself valid? Without a gun, what will you go and fight with? Hence, being in SSB, all the task, the psychological test you have to write in English, the group task, the group discussions, everything happens in English, and in the end, the interview or the individual interview also happens in English only. There is another group of or type of people who try to learn English and they feel they are Turram Khan in English. So they start using big words to describe various things, describe themselves. People use words like obnoxious. I become obnoxious. And sir, I at times become pompous. I am cynical at times, sir. Now, these words, though appear very impressive, but the meaning what is required to be conveyed at times is not really conveyed, because you want to mean something else by expressing these words. However, the person who is understanding, he also knows some English. So the meaning or literal meaning of those words are something very, very different than what you want it to mean. Do not do that. Use simple English by which you can communicate what you want to say to the other person. Even if you are not getting good English words, तो थोड़ा वजन के लिए you can use few Hindi words. It's absolutely permitted. But do not make full sentences in Hindi. So the key to get recommended in SSB is start working on your English. There is no two way about it. And also, the content is important. I do not say that just with good language you will be able to get recommended. Content should be there. But along with that, language or English will not harm. Also, in case you want to join for a deep learning session on various aspects of the interview or want to have a one-on-one personal interview with me, WhatsApp me on 7088993444. You can also enroll in AFO SOP privileged batch where you get a lot of guidance on all the aspects of SSB. I also take personal or individual interview in AFO SOP privileged batch. Thank you. Jai Hind.